Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beer cheese. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 8 ounces of sharp cheddar, freshly shredded, and 4 ounces of softened cream cheese for that creamy base. Don't forget 1/4 cup of your preferred beer, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 1 teaspoon of dry mustard. A small pinch of cayenne pepper will give it a delightful warmth. Now, let's get melting. In a medium saucepan, combine your softened cream cheese and 1/4 cup of beer. Heat this mixture over low heat, stirring constantly until it's completely smooth and well blended. The goal here is a warm, creamy base, not a boiling one. This gentle heat ensures a perfectly smooth foundation for our cheddar, preventing any graininess. With your creamy base ready, it's time to introduce the star, the shredded sharp cheddar. Add it gradually, a handful at a time, stirring continuously until each addition is fully melted and incorporated. Once smooth, stir in the 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce and 1 teaspoon of dry mustard. Finally, add that pinch of cayenne pepper for a subtle, delightful kick. Keep stirring until everything is perfectly combined. Your delicious beer cheese is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm with your favorite soft pretzels, crusty bread, or an assortment of crackers. It's truly a crowd pleaser. If you happen to have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. When reheating, do so gently over low heat, stirring frequently to maintain that perfect creamy consistency. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.